In the last few days, they've announced the approval and recommendation of a booster dose of the COVID vaccine, the Pfizer COVID vaccine for kids age 5 to 11. What we know is the third dose of the Pfizer booster is 10 micrograms, which is the same dose as the first and second of the two-dose Pfizer vaccine series, but it's a lesser dose, about a third of the adult dose. When the kids are given, who are 5 to 11, are given this third dose of the Pfizer vaccine, do they mount an immune response? Do they get what we want from a vaccine? And we proved that that happened. And then they went on to look for safety, meaning side effects. What are the side effects of this third dose in those kids who had gotten the first of the two-dose series? And we saw very similar side effect profiles as we did with the initial two-dose series in this age group. Some kids developed some redness at the site of injection, maybe a little bit of local discomfort. Some kids developed fever or chills, but those were transient in nature. Based on the safety profile of over 400 kids who got this third dose of vaccine for 5 to 11-year-olds, they went ahead and approved and recommended that third dose of vaccine. When we talk about the benefits of the COVID vaccine, in this case specifically the approved Pfizer COVID vaccine for kids 5 to 11, I sort of feel like there are two comments to make. The first comment is that any of the folks out there who haven't gotten the initial two-dose series should take this reminder to go out and get their first dose of the vaccine, and then followed by the second dose of the vaccine. For those parents of children who are 5 to 11 who've gotten their Pfizer vaccine, their two-dose series already, as long as they're 5 months out from their second dose, they're eligible to get that third dose now, that booster dose of vaccine. For anybody who wants to get their 5 to 11-year-old a booster dose of the COVID vaccine, they can go a couple different places. First, they can likely go wherever their child got that first or second dose vaccine. Additionally, we have online scheduling available either on the akronchildrens.org website or the Akron Children's app. That includes opportunities to go get vaccines at our regional urgent care centers, where you can just go online, you can schedule, you can go and get your 5 to 11-year-old their vaccine. In fact, you can get any age child a vaccine at any of our regional urgent cares.